Hi, and welcome back to Yuzu Has Yet Another Crazy Last-Minute Cosplay Project. I got last-minute tickets to go see Perfect Blue tonight at 7 p.m. It's currently 1:30 p.m. Proof, it's 1:32. And I have to start getting ready at 5:30, leave at 6 for the movie at 7. So I have 4 hours to make a Perfect Blue costume. Perfect Blue is one of my favorite movies of all time. I got this full storyboard of the movie with this art book that came with it. I got this in Japan. I've been a big fan of this movie for many years, and I don't know why I never took the time to make a Mima cosplay, even though I've always wanted to. But since the movie is getting remastered in 4K, getting rescreened, I thought it was a good opportunity to make finally a costume of Mima. Thankfully, I'm a full-time cosplayer, which means that I hoard materials like crazy. And I do think I have everything I need at home to make this costume. So let's start scavenging all the materials in my house. Let's go to my cosplay storage room. Welcome to my cosplay hoarding room, aka storage room. So we're gonna start looking for all the things that we need, and I'm gonna put them in this bin so it's easy to keep track. I need wig, anything for the costume, the shoes, the socks, and the glove, the hairband. I think the wig's gonna be the hardest part and the most difficult thing to do today, because I definitely don't have Mima's wig here. I have a couple of like basic wigs that I use for many different projects, and I cut them and style them basically from scratch. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start looking for the wig first. I have here a big bin of a bunch of wigs that I can use for many things, and I store and I hoard because I definitely don't need that much. I mean, actually, I do need that much wigs because that's my job, first of all. Sometimes I forget. Anyways, let's try to look for a black front lace wig. Oh, maybe this one. Okay, let me put aside all the wigs that could work. Ada Wong. I have multiple Ada Wong wigs. Oh, I got a wig for less. That could work. Let's check what they look like. Oh, this one, but it already has bangs. That could save me a lot of time. Bin. Okay, so here I have this red tutu from my tutu collection. I put these under cosplays just to give them a little bit more poof. And thankfully, I have a red tutu, which I think will look good under a skirt, if I can find a skirt. And here is my closet of cosplay shoes. Yeah, lots of huge heels, as you can see. But I think I have a couple of red shoes. I think these ones are definitely not the vibe. But these ones, not exactly the same ones as Mima, but I think those will look good for the cosplay. So let's get those. Poof. And here is my box of hair accessories. I'm pretty sure that I have a red headband. As you can see, there it is. I have lots of hair accessories. Okay, we got the headband. And here we're in my personal closet, so sorry, it's a little bit of a mess. But look, I have this red corset. I love corsets so much. So this is my corset collection. I have short ones and long torso ones. But I have this red one, which I think we can use as a base because we definitely don't have time to make a full costume today. Today's not the day. And for red skirts, I have those 2 red skirts here. Those are my actual clothes. But you know what? I don't care. I will sacrifice those skirts if necessary, because I think they might need some tailoring to fit the costume better, but I'm gonna sacrifice those 2. Okay, wait, what else do we need? We got the shoes, the wig, the corset, the skirt. Oh yeah, socks and gloves. So I actually have a collection of PVC gloves and socks. These go by pair, so useful for any costumes. I have them in red, black, purple. I'm pretty sure I got them in white PVC gloves and fingerless and socks. Yeah, we got this! I think PVC is gonna give more of a uncanny look. They give so much more of a costume look, which I really enjoy and I really appreciate for my costumes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with like the PVC, but we'll see. Maybe it won't fit. So let's go try everything we have right now and assess the situation of how much work we have ahead of us. So I have 2 skirts, one that's velvety and one that's like a normal fabric with some texture, but like this one fits the cosplay better, like the color is almost the same, This one doesn't really fit, but yeah, so as you can see, it's a little bit too long. I'm wearing the tutu underneath, and it's kind of like doing this shape here, which I don't like. So I'm gonna try to cut this skirt and tailor it. In the reference picture, Mima's skirt is actually really short. So yeah, I think it needs to be shortened. And I'm still wearing like my shorts underneath because I don't want to issue with YouTube. The velvety one is definitely not a good fit, as you can see. It's not the same red. So I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so this is definitely not a bad start, but the problem is mostly the wig. The wig needs a lot of work and the skirts needs to be trimmed, and I might try to add horsehair braid to create a better shape. But yeah, that's not a bad start. And the shoes I think are so cute. Okay, it's just a try on now, so I'm lazy to buckle them, but I think they're so cute. They're not exactly the same, but I think they're gonna work really well for this project. Damn, I can't stop the video with the gloves though. All right, it's already 2:18 right now, so I really need to get started. It already took me almost an hour to scavenge everything and try on everything I had. So I think we're gonna start with the wig, because the skirt, I feel like if I keep it this long, it still works, but the wig is definitely not right. So I need to work on the wig first. Sorry, Sauron, but we need the wig stand. You're gonna have to go for now. Yeah, let's put you in the corner. Okay, we need this one to work with. I'm gonna start by putting on the wig on myself, because I actually don't like putting bangs on the mannequin. It's either too long or too short. And to avoid having hair everywhere in my face, I usually use saran wrap. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Well, first of all, I'm putting my hair in a wig cap, and then I use some saran wrap that I cut and tuck under my wig cap here. And this way, all the hair that I cut is going to be, oops, not getting into my eye, but I can still see what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so let's put my wig on. There it is. Oh my god, it's a mess. All right, I can't see anything. Let me put the hair away. Now I'm gonna cut the part that is not necessary. Like maybe this much. I can probably safely cut this much, yeah. Okay, and let's see. I think I'm gonna take off some hair mass by using one of these scissors with dents. I forgot how these are called. And then I like to use one of those razor combs that you use for wigs. These are so beginner friendly. You can only take away a little bit of hair at a time, so it's really useful to quickly fix bangs. Oh, okay, that's not too bad for the first try. I think I'm gonna tease the bangs and like curl them just like Mima's, and then I'm gonna see if I want them shorter, because it's better to go slow, right? You don't want to cut too much hair at once, because wigs don't grow back. So I'm going to tease the bangs in the front with a comb, and I'm also trimming the little hair, cutting vertically to not make a harsh line. I'm gonna put rolls here and use a steamer to keep the hair in place. I'm gonna have rolls here, putting these in the bangs. My dog doesn't like this. Okay. He doesn't like the sound of it. It's so cute. Look at him. Oh, it's fine. It's fine, baby. It's fine. It's okay. I know it makes a weird sound, but I know you want to protect me, but it's not dangerous. I'm gonna wait for these to cool down, and hopefully they will have the right shape. And in the meantime, I'm probably going to cut the rest of the hair. Let's check a reference picture. Yeah, I think you can safely cut that much. I have to trust the process, because this is scary, cutting that much hair at once. Trust the process, trust the process. I'm going to use the razor comb again. Oh my god. I forgot to pin the wig to the mannequin's head. Don't do this mistake. Well, at least the bangs had time to set, and now they're nicely curled like this. Let me actually pin the wig to the wig head this time. I got these pins to set it in place. Okay, hopefully she doesn't go anywhere this time. I think I'm gonna wear heat protecting gloves because I'm gonna try to set the hair in place and probably going to hold the hair while it's hot. And now I have to do this 20 more times. Before taking out the roller, I want to put some hairspray on. This one is really good for wigs. Everyone uses this for wigs. Let's see. Oh, yeah, not bad actually. Oh, not bad at all. Look at the shape. But I'm worried it's a little bit too long actually. So let me try this wig on real quick to see how the length looks like on myself. Well, the bangs, okay, they are a little bit too long, but I think the shape is so perfect. It's really giving 90s Japanese pop idol. But indeed, as I expected, this is a little bit too long. Ima's hair, it's definitely shorter than that. Do I have time to fix it though? It's already 3:30 almost. I need to be done with the wig at like 4 because then I need at least an hour to fix the skirt. So yeah, it's okay. I think I'll cut a little bit more and then I'll redo the curls. Yeah. Okay, let's do this real quick. Okay, I'm pretty much done with the wig. I'm just waiting for the back to set, but it's 4:15. I really need to get started on the skirt, otherwise I'm not gonna be done in time. But I'm pretty happy about how the wig turned out. I'm just gonna clean this and start working on trimming the skirt. Taking a little foot break. Okay, 4:30 almost. I have like around an hour, so let's do this. Okay, so first of all, I need this, which is horsehair braid. The skirt, red, perfect, red thread. This isn't the right thread, by the way. This is like a embroidery thread, but whatever. This will do for now. And I just need to thread my machine real quick. Leo's here. He's just making sure that nothing dangerous tries to attack me. He's just trying to protect me. The machine's prepped. Now let's prep the skirt. Now I'm going to flip this. See if it works. Wait a minute, look at this. I think this is perfect. He's falling asleep. Oh, he's falling asleep. Wait, I think this is actually so perfect. Like, look how cute it is now. It's gonna be so cute with the tutu. Let's try with the tutu. Yeah, this is perfect. Look at this. Look at how flowy it is. Oh. Yes, this is perfect. This is gonna look so cute. All right, it is now 5:13. I made it. I'm gonna have some food and then I'm going to get ready for the movie. And this is how the wig turned out. I think it turned out so good. I'm really happy. And that's the final look. It's currently 6:03, so I have to leave right now for the theater, and I'll see you there.